Howdy folks, how's it going? Nate's here, and um, some of you guys had a problem with saying my name and didn't know how to say it. So this video is going to be about question and answers. So my name is Nate, and my last name is Maze. So Nate's Maze. Now that we got that out the way, somebody asked where I'm from. I'm from Slovenia. And I know you guys know where that is, but for those who don't know, we're neighboring Italy and Austria. We're in Europe, of course. Um, Next, the machine. The machine. I'm not gonna go into questions. I'm just gonna answer them as quick as possible. Basic stuff because the questions get repeated. And so what I use is this compressor is 12 volts and it's DC power, so I have to convert that somehow. And I have a transformator that transforms 220 volts AC into here we have different outputs, and the output from 1 and 2 is 12 volts. So here's the like voltage regulator or speed controller or whatever. It's just a dimmer. So as I have it now approximately on 50%, that uses let's say 6 volts, something like that. This is my preferred voltage. I can go up, but I never used 100% or 12 volts because this thing would just go into space. It would fly off. But anyway, so I had to convert that AC into DC current, and this thingy here does it. It's Gretz bridge, or don't know how you guys call it, but basically it's 4 diodes and converts AC into DC. A little cooling rib here so it doesn't get too hot. And keep in mind that if you don't have compressor like this for 12 volts, then you have to, like, you have to find somebody that knows electricity, and he can get you answers about amps and voltage and stuff like that. So basically, for my it's what I did because I had to use this compressor because I got this one, and basically the machine was built around that compressor. So first there's the compressor, and then there's all the calculation about how you're gonna convert amps, and you have to make components a little bit stronger. So if it needs, like, let's say 15 amps, get components that can handle like at least 20 amps, so nothing gets heated. Yeah, basically that's just a quick answer about that one. Somebody asked about the foot pedal. So this is just a plastic block from I don't know, it's just plastic, so just something that I got, and I just drilled a hole through it. Now that I have this tubing for my handpiece, this tubing is it's 6 millimeters on the outside diameter, and it's 3 millimeters on the inside. Now that I have this thinner tubing, don't have any problems at all with like all that Venturi effect, and because it's all about compression, and I was using too wide of a diameter of this tubing. So now that I have thinner one, everything is running smoothly. So you don't have to like watch out for diameters or anything. Just drill a hole through it, see, and put another hole here if you want to make a foot pedal like this one. But you can have your own ideas. You can make them however you want. Just the principle is the same. Here's the spring. And so what I do is press with my foot, and this thing gets covered. And when the hole on the top gets covered, the air can pass through here. So that's pretty much it. This is just a basic hinge, and just screw that down. I put a little plastic thingy on top, so that's what my foot does, and that's pretty much it. What I'll be doing in the future is I'm gonna be making videos on how to sharpen carbide gravers, I hope. Um, I did a video on cutting a carbide rod in half. So if you don't know how that's done, just look at my previous video. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on all the carbide, and I'm going to have a lot of questions myself. So everybody, just stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys posted. So everybody, thanks for watching. Keep your engravers sharp and enjoy engraving.